Hey guys, so today we're going to look at a new family in our number families. We're going to look at the 20 family. Let's look back at our hundreds chart. So this is the number 20. You see a 2 in the tens place and a 0 in the ones place. So remember we talked about how our teen families, the teen family is the group of numbers that has 2 digits in it. It starts to have a 1 and a 0 instead of just one number like these others. And so now we're moving to where the 20 family has a 2 in the tens place instead of a 1 in front of it like the teen families. So let's look on here. We have 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. All right, so let's look. So when we say these numbers, we're going to start off by saying 20. So especially the very first one, this is the 2 and the 0. That is the number 20. But when we say all of the other ones, all we are going to do is simply say 20 and then this number's name. So 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, and 29. Awesome. All right. And so 20, and then you just say 20, and then this number's name. Good. So 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Bye, guys.